What if I told you that one of nature's greatest mountaineers doesn't have ropes, doesn't fear heights, and can defy gravity itself? Goats. Humble yet astonishing creatures that have roamed the earth for thousands of years. From wild mountain peaks to backyard farms, these resilient animals have played a surprising role in shaping human history. But how did they go from untamed climbers to one of mankind's earliest domesticated species? The story of the goat begins over 10,000 years ago in the rocky landscapes of the Middle East. Archaeologists believe the first domesticated goats came from the wild Bezoar ibex, a species still found in Iran and Turkey today. These animals weren't just a food source. They were symbols of power and survival. In ancient Egypt, they were associated with fertility gods. In Norse mythology, Thor's chariot was pulled by two mighty goats. But goats weren't just legendary in myths. They played a crucial role in human evolution, providing milk, meat, and even clothing from their soft undercoats. As humans spread across continents, so did their trusty goats. These adaptable creatures could survive in deserts, mountains, and even islands. Goats became essential to trade, helping nomadic tribes survive harsh climates. In some cultures, they were seen as sacred animals, while in others, they were sacrificed in religious rituals. But domestication came at a cost. The wild instincts of goats softened, and their populations exploded in some areas, leading to deforestation and environmental strain. In the wild, goats are nature's gardeners. They keep vegetation in check, preventing overgrowth. But when introduced to fragile ecosystems, they can become a destructive force, overgrazing fields and causing erosion places like the Galapagos Islands. Feral goats have nearly wiped out native species, leading conservationists to take drastic action to remove them. Today, goats face a double-edged sword. In some regions, they thrive even to the point of harming ecosystems. But in others, they suffer due to habitat destruction, climate change, and mass farming practices. Many goats are raised in harsh conditions, and some rare breeds face extinction due to selective breeding and changing agricultural demands. However, scientists and farmers are working together to create a balance, ensuring goats continue to provide for humans while protecting the planet. Did you know that goats inspired parkour athletes? Their ability to jump and climb impossible angles has led researchers to study them for robotic